Let's get into this. Shows more skin compared to generic lace. That's what they said. That's how they coming in. Oh, they plucked this, honey. Look at that. I didn't get the color that she's wearing, but I could have. Don't get it twisted. Y'all, I'm so hyped. I decided to come to you now while my concealer is concealinating. I have been seeing this everywhere. Bam! And I got my hands on one of them. I got this myself. This is not a sponsor video, but I'm hyped. We're finna get into it.
Let the church say subscribe.
This is a new line of wigs by Sensational. This is their bare lace, okay? And that's the bare lace of it all. You see how they doing the bare of it. And these are glueless lace wigs, okay? The bare luxe lace is 20% larger grid patterns, 40% thinner lace, shows more skin compared to generic lace. That's what they said. That's how they coming in. Dissipates light for a non-reflective matte finish, stronger reinforced tear-resistant lace fiber. Now, this what they doing, okay? They showing you the bare luxe lace and then they telling you about the other lace, okay? Y'all, I have been wanting to try this for so long. I grabbed this from Amazon and I have Highlight Berry. This is a 13x6 unit and this is unit 3. Because the picture sent me, y'all. I didn't get the color that she's wearing, but I could have. Don't get it twisted. Y'all be like,
because you dark skinned, you can't wear blonde.
Who? Tell me what I can wear, but I didn't get blonde. Okay. So I got the berry, and you know what, these wigs, the prices can change depending on what color you get. Secret Highlight Berry is $54.99, so it's $55. But if they doing right now, milk test results, they got first place, period. It's nothing. And they say the lace does not lift up. Silicone lining wig band. Ooh. Oh, you know, anytime there's silicone lining, it's going to snatch upon your dome. So that means you can shout. Woo. 300 to 400 degrees safe Fahrenheit. Lace so thin when it look like skin.
When it look like skin.
Okay, y'all, let me just show you. We got the packet sauce. The packet sauce. Packet sauce. Packet sauce. Packet sauce. Packet sauce. Packet sauce. Come on now. So pretty. And these are the colors in the back. You open it up, bam. This is where we are with it. This how they popping off, y'all. Listen, it's not a game. That's what it's supposed to come to it like. Ooh, and my hair is braided down. I'm gonna have a nice flat base. Ooh, it's about to be over with. Okay. Yes, the grids are definitely larger. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing though. And this is not human hair, y'all. It's nice though. It is nice. Ooh, y'all look. And this color, look. Look at that little pop of color. You got a good government job. You want a little pizzazz with your color, but you can't go all the way.
You can't go all the way.
Look. Oh, they plucked this, honey. Yeah, it's over with. Okay, let me just show y'all. They do have the band. Okay, and it is it's detachable on one side. So 2 combs off to the side with probably one in the back. Silicone grip around the cap of it. That's gonna hold on to your dome like a good relationship.
I'm just gonna put it on.
Hit that subscribe button. Join the family. Join the fun. Let's get into this bare luxe lace. Hold on.
Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull a drop top out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDM'in', yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low, but I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lie, so fair with it. You can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared. Oh, instead of love out loud, since we ain't going on. don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. I'm a good catch, but I never let him catch me. No, I never let him claim me. Wild thing try to tame me, but you got my mood on sunshine. Let's take a trip, souls on big smile. Let's get this lick, stars are in line. I'm posted, lay with me in the moonlight. I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so bear with it. We can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared for it. Instead of love out loud, since we ain't going over. So tonight, baby, meet me. Time is right, so right. Our romance to be. Can't deny. I love the things we do. But tonight, baby, meet me outside. Outside.
You never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm reading a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. Later talk, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wreck and fall, tear apart. Issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time, no cap, no lies. It's our own door. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know I want more. Give me the good this time, no cap, no lies. It's our own. I never wanna give you up. I know we've been through way too much, but I'm confident we'll make it through. I'm here for you, and not by myself. Later talk, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wreck and fall, tear apart. Issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time, no cap, no lies. It's our own door. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know I want more. Give me the good this time, no cap, no lies. It's our own door. So tonight, baby, meet me. Timing's right, so right. Our romance to be. Can't deny. I love the things we do when it's just us two. But tonight, baby, meet me outside.
Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. I'm a good catch, but I never let him catch me. No, I never let him claim me. Wild thing try to tame me,